Let's begin with the story of Sheryl Mendez and John Maliga, a couple married under Muslim rites who had a daughter together. Their relationship took a turn when Maliga filed for judicial confirmation of talaq, or divorce, and sought temporary custody of their child in the Shari'a Circuit Court. Maliga claimed that Mendez had reverted to Christianity, which he argued could endanger their daughter's Islamic upbringing. The Shari'a Circuit Court granted Maliga temporary custody without notifying Mendez or giving her a chance to be heard. Later, the court awarded him permanent custody, a decision that was affirmed by the Shari'a District Court. The main reason cited was Mendez's alleged apostasy, which, under Sharia law, was seen as a ground for disqualification from custody. Feeling aggrieved, Mendez took her case to the Supreme Court. She argued that the Shari'a Circuit Court did not have the proper authority to decide on custody matters, as Article 143 of PD No. 1083 assigns this jurisdiction exclusively to the Shari'a District Court. More importantly, she claimed her right to due process had been violated. She was not given notice or an opportunity to be heard before custody was taken from her. The Supreme Court addressed these concerns by clarifying the roles of the Shari'a courts. While the Shari'a District Court holds exclusive original jurisdiction over custody cases, the Circuit Court can resolve custody issues if they arise as a necessary consequence of a divorce proceeding. This prevents multiple lawsuits and ensures the child's best interests are handled efficiently. Despite recognizing the Circuit Court's ancillary jurisdiction, the Supreme Court found serious procedural lapses. The custody orders were declared null and void because Mendez was denied her fundamental right to due process. The court had granted temporary custody without notice and failed to explain the facts and law behind its final order, both of which are required by the Constitution. This decision sends a clear message. Even specialized courts like the Shari'a courts must strictly adhere to constitutional standards of fairness and transparency. The ruling not only clarified the jurisdictional boundaries, but also reinforced the importance of protecting individual rights in all judicial proceedings, especially when a child's welfare is at stake.